Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps using pop-up view on this device. Firstly, you need to select one of your apps, like Play Store, and tap on Home button. Then click on this button with 3 lines and tap on the icon of your app. From here, you need to click on Open in pop-up view, and as you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. If you wish to move it around, you need to hold this blue line and place your window whenever you want to. You can also use it to overlay other apps by tapping on the chosen app and using both of them. If you wish to go back, tap Home button, choose this button with 3 lines and just close your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!